In the vast cosmic dance, there exists a secret performance, a mysterious rhythm hidden beneath our everyday interactions. Imagine a world where our thoughts, emotions, and ideas are not just individual isolated notes, but part of a grand symphony, a melodic masterpiece that we contribute to without even realizing it. This is not a realm of fantasy, but a fascinating facet of our reality. It's a silent dance of neurons, a mystical rhythm of the mind that weaves its way through our conversations, our shared laughter, our moments of understanding. This is the intriguing world of brainwave synchronization, where beneath the surface of our interactions, our neural rhythms are aligning, synchronizing, dancing together in an unseen ballet. A secret symphony is playing, a melody so profound that it might just be the key to understanding the depth of human connection. Welcome to the world of brainwave synchronization, where our neural rhythms align in an unseen ballet. Our brain, a marvel of nature, creates rhythmic patterns of electrical activity known as brainwaves. These waves, constantly surging and receding, form the very rhythm of our consciousness, influencing our thoughts, emotions, and even our state of being. To understand brainwaves, let's imagine our brain as a sprawling metropolis. The city's residents, our neurons, communicate using electrical signals. When a large group of neurons sends signals at the same time, they create a wave of electrical activity that sweeps across the brain. This is what we call a brainwave. These brainwaves are not static, they fluctuate in frequency and amplitude, reflecting the many states of our consciousness. When we're alert and focused, our brainwaves are high-frequency, low-amplitude waves known as beta waves. When we're relaxed or daydreaming, our brain produces slower, higher-amplitude alpha waves. Deep sleep triggers even slower delta waves, while rapid eye movement sleep, or REM sleep, where dreams occur, is characterized by the fast, low-amplitude theta waves. But brainwaves aren't just about our individual states of mind. They also play a key role in how we connect with others. When two people interact, their brainwaves can start to synchronize, aligning in rhythm and frequency. This phenomenon, known as brainwave synchronization, is a captivating mystery that has intrigued scientists for decades. Imagine two individuals engrossed in a deep conversation. As they exchange words and ideas, their brainwaves start to dance in harmony, mirroring each other's rhythm. This synchronization can occur during shared activities, mutual understanding, or even when two people simply spend time in each other's company. The precise mechanisms behind this synchronization are still under investigation. Some theories suggest it's related to empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. Others propose it might be tied to mirror neurons, brain cells that fire both when we perform an action and when we observe someone else performing the same action. In the dance of thoughts and emotions, our brains might be tuning into each other's frequencies, creating a profound connection. This connection, invisible to the naked eye but deeply felt, is the secret symphony of our connected consciousness. From a simple conversation to a shared experience, our interactions might be more powerful than we ever thought. Picture this: you're engrossed in a compelling discussion or working together to solve a complex problem. Unseen to the naked eye, beneath the surface of your conscious awareness, something extraordinary is happening. Your brainwaves and those of your companions are beginning to dance together, matching rhythm and pace in a harmony that is as profound as it is invisible. This isn't just about sharing thoughts and emotions, this is about our brains tuning into the same frequency, a beautiful ballet of brainwaves that synchronizes our internal experiences. This synchronization isn't limited to intense intellectual exchanges. It can happen during a family dinner, a hearty laugh with friends, or even a silent shared gaze into the night sky. Every shared moment, every heartwarming conversation might be a symphony of synchronized brainwaves. But how does this intricate dance of neurons happen? The answers lie in the fascinating field of neuroscience. Let's delve into the science behind this phenomenon. Imagine a mirror, it reflects back to you an image of yourself. Now picture neurons in your brain acting in a similar fashion. These are called mirror neurons. They fire not only when we perform an action, but also when we watch someone else perform the same action. This mirroring mechanism is believed to be a key player in our ability to understand and empathize with others. It's as if our brains are playing a game of follow the leader, mimicking the neural activity they observe. Now let's take a step further into the realm of empathy. Empathy, in essence, is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. When we empathize, we're essentially aligning our emotional state with that of someone else. Neuroscientists believe that this emotional alignment might extend to our brainwaves, syncing them in a rhythm that reflects our shared experience. However, the plot thickens as we delve into the very nature of human communication. When we engage in a conversation, it's not just words that are being exchanged. Our brains are also busy processing non-verbal cues like facial expressions, body language, and tone of voice. This complex interplay of signals could be another factor leading to the synchronization of our brainwaves. But here's the catch. While these theories are compelling, the science behind brainwave synchronization is still in its infancy. Each new piece of research adds another note to the symphony, but the full composition remains elusive. Yet the potential implications are profound. If our brains can indeed sync up their rhythms, it could open up new ways of understanding not just human interaction, but the very fabric of our consciousness. As we stand on the threshold of new understanding, brainwave synchronization promises to redefine our perception of human connection. What does this mean for us, for our understanding of human connection and consciousness? The implications of brainwave synchronization are profound and far-reaching. It suggests that our individual minds might not be as solitary as we once believed. Instead, they are part of a greater interconnected network, dancing in harmony with each other. But does this shared brain rhythm hint at a deeper collective consciousness? Could it be that beneath our individual thoughts and experiences, there is a universal mind that we all tap into? These are the tantalizing questions that this phenomenon presents. It's a captivating thought, isn't it? That in the grand tapestry of existence, our minds are not isolated islands but interconnected threads, weaving the intricate patterns of life. In this secret symphony of connected consciousness, we are perhaps more intertwined than we ever imagined. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the human mind, each note takes us closer to understanding the grand performance of life itself.